bottles and a glue gun and 3 straws. Diagram of the project. Step 1. Put 2 holes. Step 2. Step 3. Put 1 hole in the bottom and 1 above. Step 4. Stick the bottles together. Step 5. Cut a bottle in half and put it above. Purpose of the project. I want to save energy so that I could save nature. And this is my science project. Before this, I thought without even energy, how would water come out? Well, it worked. The air pressure straw will raise water and above, water will come out like a water fountain. Now the project is completed. This project will use for big fountains in many places. I hope you like it. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.